Siemens and Local Motors, advancing 3D printing for real production. 3D printing is changing the world of manufacturing. It empowers designers to reimagine the way products are designed by changing how they are made. 3D printing helps companies to innovate faster and bring world-changing ideas to life. Enter Local Motors, a technology company that co-creates and 3D prints vehicles in microfactories. Local Motors and Siemens are advancing the design and manufacture of 3D printed vehicles. Solid Edge is helping makers design digital twins of products. Siemens Software is helping makers define digital twins of production processes. To drive large-scale 3D printers and turn digital models into real parts. And Siemens Software is helping Local Motors digitalize. To get new ideas on the road quicker. When Siemens Software helps a global community of 51,000 makers pioneer the future of 3D printing and co-creation of revolutionary mobility solutions, that's ingenuity for life.